Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a lady comb shoulder walk. In fact, we're going to do the lady comb shoulder walk and the lady comb shoulder walk around variation. It's going to be really helpful if you already know how to do a lady comb and can lead some footwork. The move on its own looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. We're going to lead it off a return. So we're going to go back 1, return, picking up the hand and back to 2 hands. From here we're going to bring the lady towards us, and as we do that we're going to lift the right hand, guys palm up, fingers pointing in towards the lady's hand. Take the right elbow over to the left. That's making a loop here that's going to go over the lady's head. So as we walk in, that loop goes over the lady, and we go down to pick up the shoulder. We also bring the left hand up, so we now have the lady's arm extended at shoulder height, which gives us a really strong connection to her frame, which means we can now lead her very easily from this position. From here, we're going to step forwards on the left. At the same time, we're going to lead the lady to go backwards, but we're going to lead the lady's weight onto her left so we can rock her right back. Then we bring her forwards. We're going to transition through the back foot for the guys, front foot for the ladies, and get 1, 2, 3. Transition through again, and we get 1, 2, 3. We're going to bring the arm narrower, so left hand in front of her shoulder now, as we bring the lady forwards with the right, clearing the right arm out of the way as the lady continues through into her travelling return, and we just square up to face the lady at the end. So let's do that again and think about numbers. We go back 1, returning 2, picking up the hand, back to 2 hands, we're in 3, we do the comb on 4, rocking 5, and then we get the walk for 6 and 7, and then again 8 and 1 into the travelling return 2 and back 3. We're ready. Let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a lady comb shoulder walk. We go a back, return, 2 hands and comb, rock, walk 2, 3 and a walk 2, 3, travelling return and stop. Now I promised you a walk around variation as well. Now the walk around variation, a few minor differences. It's going to work better off a travelling return. The entrance to it looks like the entrance to a slide break. So I'll put a link to the slide break in the description as well. And it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break that down. We go travelling return to 2 hands. Then it looks like the slide break, except when we go over the lady's head and down to the shoulder, we can let go and pick up the shoulder, and the left never goes over the guy, we just bring it straight out. So that's why it's pretty much the same entrance to what we did in the straight version. Now we're going to walk, and you could walk as long as you like, but we're going to walk for 1. Then on the next count, we're actually going to lead the lady to do a twist to her right and do that rock back that was at the beginning of the next one, and the guys continue to walk forwards. So we get that little twist, and then forwards. Then we do the same again with a rock, and then forwards. And now on the third one, we're going to get rock, and we're going to lead the lady to go twist, 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 twist. So it's literally just 1, 2, 3, 4. How many you do is up to you. Okay, 4 movements, so 2 full twists, or 6 movements, 3 full twists is usually about right, and then you're going to either get a return on the spot or a travelling return to finish. So let's break that down one last time with numbers. We go back 1, travelling return 2, 2 hands on 3, coming in with the comb 4, walking for 5, twisting for 6, we go forwards for 7, twisting for 8, we come forwards for 1, and now we go twisting for 2, and we get our little double time for 3 and 4 and returning 5, back 6, and we're done. So let's try it to a count. Here we go. Whole thing. 5, a 6, a lady comb, shoulder walk. We go up, back, through, 2 hands over the lady, walk, rock, and rock, and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, return, and you're done. That is the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and it helps promote our channel and dancing generally, so we're really appreciative of people who do that, so thank you. Any questions, pop them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcrafts, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.